angascream umntana saso bro amana kathi no they just stole my purse, I've been robbed. Wena mombheka mfethu uvela uvukele semntana
Hayi.
umntana uyakhala samajida
Hayi. Nah, Nah, that's diabolical, bro. Like, you're supposed to give out help, bro. How do you get a boner when somebody needs help? The fuck are we doing?
bro mihlala injani yazi umntana limakakhala athi yo yeah kuthi nawe mfethu ngayi I don't know, that's why thina mfethu nokuvukela nasesontweni
Hayi.
yabo yeah bathi
Hayi. Stop, bro. Nigga, we just came to pray, nigga. What are you looking at, bro? You're killing yourself, but we just came to pray, bro. Where's your mind, bro? Stop it.
but so angeke ukusicontrol that thing, that's why ekuseni unokuvuka uvukele why
Hayi.
uphuphe ngeSundowns idlala neChiefs mara mawuvuka mfethu ye69 uvukele so manje mina ngizotrusta imedi yami ukuthi nebraye out never thina majida sihlala si yabo one mistake umnyango uvulekile sifaka isandla mfethu nengalo siyashaya there is no guy who's going to say why are we doing this why you know but let's stop when out bam samajida unokuvaya mfethu mawuthi yeah yabona uthi mfethu uthola umntwana mawuthi ufika kubo mfethu uthola isister lakhe or cousin or neolid lakhe mangabe leseseyami uthi mara nalo li fresh
I need to watch this full episode, bro. I need to go check it out. No way. This nigga is spitting names, bro. It's crazy.
ivar dating li fresh le oledi mfethu mawuthi alibheka mfethu nalo liyakubona yabo phela mawutsotsi vele uyabonakala phela mawutsotsi attract abanye abotsotsi liyakubona lithi sibuda are you okay my boy ayina uyabona ukuthi yamari yabona lo makangayenza mistake kanye amnqamula
Hayi.
yabo nyamnqamula so amajita acabanga kanjalo yabo ukuthi no mfethu